Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch Classic. First, ensure your watch is fully charged and powered on. Have your compatible Android smartphone nearby and also charged. Then, download and install the Samsung Wearable app from the Google Play Store. This essential application will guide you through the entire setup process, making it straightforward and user-friendly. Once the app is installed, open it on your smartphone. Select Start and then choose your Galaxy Watch from the list of available devices. A unique pairing code will appear on both your phone and your watch. Confirm that these codes match to proceed. This step securely links your two devices, initiating the connection process. After confirming the pairing, follow the clear on-screen prompts within the Wearable app to finalize the setup. You'll need to grant necessary permissions for features like notifications, health tracking, and location services. Take a moment to customize your watch settings, including watch faces and app layouts, to personalize your new device. To ensure a seamless experience, always keep your watch and phone within Bluetooth range, typically up to 10 meters or about 33 feet. Regularly update both the Samsung Wearable app and your watch's software for optimal performance and new features. Explore the various settings and functions to truly maximize your Galaxy Watch experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.